Hey, it's Cynthia here, and I am going to try to hiccup again. I'm starving. I am absolutely starving, and I am gonna have some more Perrier water, even though it's disgusting, but that's for your benefit. All the sugar is for my benefit. Yeah. So I have 2 teaspoons of sugar here in my McDonald's glass, and I'm using it for a hiccup video. That looks like a lot of sugar. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's opened. It smells so good. Oh, I could put a... So that's strawberry. I could also put an Airborne in here. I did just come from Walmart. I don't want to take all the carbonation out of it though. All right, here we go. Wish me the hiccups. It smells so good. It tastes really good. I don't think I'm gonna get the hiccup from that one. So what I'm gonna do is, since it's just disgusting water, I'm gonna get another one. Hang on. Okay, we only have lime and peach left next after this. But I'm not gonna add more sugar because there's still a lot of sugar at the bottom. I just needed the extra carbonation. Let me try it like this first. Like half the bottle's in here. Half the can. Okay, cheers. Someone said to breathe fast. Nope. And open the mouth. I don't think today is the day, guys. I have some of the better stuff here. Leave it to me to corrupt the Perrier water with sugar. That's what I do. I'm a corrupter. I'm the great corrupter. So you're welcome. Nope. That was very good. That was very good. I highly suggest Perrier water and 2 teaspoons of sugar because it makes it taste better. In case you need to make a hiccup video with disgusting stuff. So, I probably shouldn't. Perrier's never gonna sponsor me. Blew it. I blew it. All right, well, I'm gonna go to Joann's and go shop for yarn now because I probably shouldn't. I bought like 8 skeins of yarn this morning from Walmart, but I want more. I'm a yarn addict. Well, no, I'm a yarnaholic. All right, well, I'm gonna go. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day.